So this problem is on your review, which I'm going to give you, or you can get today, and it's on your quiz tomorrow, which again, it was going to be today. We're putting it off till tomorrow. So I'm showing you this for a reason. So is everyone with me? Looking over here. A, B, C, and D should be standard, okay? Because you know a straight line is 180, right? So 180 minus 91 is 89. So A on the inside is 89. Over here, straight line is 180. 180 minus 133 is 107. Here's another straight line. So 180 minus 75, 105. And then same thing for letter D, straight line. 180 minus 110 is 70. Okay? Now, if that's as much as you do, you've done at least most of the problem. Okay, so is everyone cool with straight lines add up to 180? Okay, so let's fill this in real quick. 89, 107. Oh, sorry. What is it? 157? 147? No. 147. It's just 47. Thank you very much. Okay, sorry. And then letter D, 70. Okay, so those are the easier ones, okay? Now, we have to use what we learned the last 3 days to figure out F and E. Now, there's two ways to do it. You can either think about it on the inside, or think about it on the outside. Now, how many sides is this figure? 5-sided. So here's the deal. You either have to know how many degrees are inside a 5-sided figure, or how many degrees are outside a 5-sided figure. Now, there's one that we always know. The outside angles always add up to what? 360. We learned this yesterday, right? On that last column. So my suggestion is if you have outside angles, add them up to 360. Okay? But here's where people mess up. The angles that we started with are not all on the outside. Go away. Okay. So what are my outside angles? So 91, we started with that one. That's on the outside. Cool. But 133 is not on the outside, right? 47 is. 75 is. And over here, again, 110 is not outside, 70 is. And then my last outside angle is F. So those 5 angles are supposed to add up to, what? 360. So here's what you do. Is everyone looking up here instead of a phone? So add up the 4 you know on the outside, subtract it from 360. That'll give you F. You're missing one, okay? So 91 plus 47 plus 75 plus 70. What does that give me? $283? Okay. So the 4 outsides that we know add up to 283, and then we do what? 360 on the outside minus 283. And that is what? 77. Okay. So is that E or F? Which one's outside? F. Okay, so 77 degrees is outside. And then I had some people not know how to get E. But a straight line is 180, right? So 180 minus 77 is what? 103. Okay. Now, I know it's a lot, but I'm showing you so you know it. It's on the review again with different numbers, so you know it. It'll be on the quiz again tomorrow, so you know it, okay? You got to be able to apply this stuff. Now, there was another way to do this. You could have looked at the inside angles. So here's my question. Inside, what are on a 5-sided figure? What's the interior sum of a 5-sided figure? Okay, we got to use n minus 2 times 180, right? Y'all remember this formula? This is for the inside sum. So yeah, we do 5 minus 2 times 180, and you would get the interior sum is 540 degrees. Now, if you assumed it was 360 or 180 or something else, you would have got the inside wrong, right? So again, interior sum is that. I will give you these formulas, but you got to know what the word sum and each and interior and exterior mean. And you got to find them, okay? And when you're reading your questions. So again, that's a lot. Thank you for getting that down. Today, I want you to have an opportunity to finish Intro to Polygons, interior angles from a couple days ago, and angles of polygons, which was yesterday. Not everyone's turned yesterday's in because the back was kind of tough, but I want you to finish yesterday's assignment. And then there's a review next to the turn-in bin. That's just like the quiz tomorrow. So again, let's do what we need to do. If you sit there doing nothing, your quiz tomorrow may reflect that, okay? So let's finish yesterday's assignment first, and then review. Cool? Quiz tomorrow.